Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your dock and menu bar settings on MacBook. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to go to System Preferences, which is at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the dock and menu bar, and here you can see some settings. First, the dock size, which can be small or large or between the two. After that, you can turn on and off magnification, so you can see if it's turned on. This looks like this, and if I turn it on, it looks like this. So whichever you prefer. And then the position on screen, which can be on the left, bottom, or right. After that, the minimize windows using you can see two options: the Genie effect and the scale effect. After that, the double click a Windows title bar to zoom or minimize. After that, minimize windows into application icons, animate opening applications, automatically hide and show the dock. After that, the show indicators for open applications, show recent applications in dock, and the menu bar settings, automatically hide and show the menu bar on desktop, or automatically hide and show the menu bar in full screen. So these are the settings regarding the dock and menu bar. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.